Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. This is the episode 2 in our Linux Guide series. So in this series or in this episode we'll talk about how to choose a Linux distribution. So first of all you need to understand your use case. Like you want to use your system more of a professional use, or if you are a coder then you have to think like your main focus is to write code, then you have to choose operating system accordingly. Or if you are a hacker or you are into a cybersecurity, then you have to choose the Linux flavor accordingly. The another thing that I will suggest you have to think, if you are a very beginner to the Linux, then I suggest you to go with some sort of GUI based Linux distribution like Ubuntu Workstation, Fedora Workstation, Manjaro OS, Cinnamon. So all these flavor, those having the GUI, I suggest you to go with those first. Take hands on and then switch to the more advanced like the one Linux with the CLI base. There you don't have any GUI, you just need to run command in order to interact with that. And once you selected okay, uh, I'm going with the Ubuntu system, then install that uh, OS in your virtual machine. What exactly virtual machine is, that we'll talk later on the series. Okay, so you can try that particular operating system on a virtual machine, or if you're having an old laptop lying around your home, you can also check on that as well. So once you satisfy okay, I want to go with this particular race, then you can select and you can start using that. So that's all from this video. In the next one we'll see how we can set up our Linux lab. So till that time, if like this video, share with this video with your friend. If you're having some doubt, just comment down, we'll get back to you. Till the time, peace.